So last year, I finally got back in the studio in LA. I was with
Every time I walk in time, you make it so high. But see one thing, you know who I am too hard. And for the hell it all, it's needing you, baby. If I got you, baby. Some people want like me. Some just everything is nothing. If I got you, some people want it all. But nothing wrong. If he didn't you, baby. If I got you, baby. Some people want everything. So just everything is nothing. If I got you. There's nothing in this world on me, Mr. B, thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm gonna leave you guys alone. Last year, I finally got back in the studio in LA. I was with a super producer. His name is Lil Eddie. He sang the song Statue. I was in the studio. The one who produced this was Nico Blitz. He's a DJ on 92.3 on the radio in LA. And I was writing the song. So I was very, very pressured. Sobrang pressure na ako kasi ang tagal ko hindi nagsulat ng kanta. Ang tagal.
Thank you
So,
po.
we were going through beats, right? The process is you go through beats and then you see what you like and you build on it, right? So we picked one and then I was starting to write, pero wala talagang nangyayari, wala lumalabas. And then so I had to take a deep breath and I had to recompose and then I had to draw strength
Thank you po.
from somewhere very, very deep. And that's when I started to think about Katie.
Yanig mo.
I started thinking about Katie, and as soon as I thought of my love for her as a father, the way she makes me feel, the way I want to protect her, the way that how much I love her from a father's perspective, my pen hindi tumigil yung ballpen ko. I just wrote all the ideas and then I sewed everything together, and then little Eddie helped me tie everything together.
Thank you po.
So that's the backstory behind this song. And before I sing this song, meron gusto mag-hi ulit. Dito. So, JD, if you can get this one going.
Hi guys! Kamusta nga po kayo dyan?
Pero wala siya dyan.
Hi guys! Kamusta nga po kayo dyan?
Hi, Katie!
Hi guys! Kamusta nga
Hi again, Katie!
Nagpapawag sa inyo song that you wrote from me. I hope you like it.
Thank you, Beauty.
Miss
I
ko
love
po.
you.
Pa isa pa.
This one is called Nobody Everybody.